Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to use people per hour account. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead to my browser, and people per hour is one of the most flexible marketplace for freelancers, and it allows users to connect with over 2 million freelancer workers. So if you want to know more about people per hour, people per hour takes pride in being one of the leading companies to break the 9 to 5 working model. Clients can connect with freelancers and hire someone per the project or hour. If you have signed up for the platform as a freelancer, you will get the opportunity to work as per your flexibility. All right. So if you want to know how do you use people per hour, you could just start by selling your service to people per hour. First, build a strong profile, and basically, secondly, send proposals to other clients. To other clients or other work, and then have a work stream to share invoices and receive payment in time. And once you create a work stream, all the details about the project will be maintained in the same space, and then get ratings after you finish work. This is one of the important things that you can do to actually get a rating or get a more job. You need to actually get ratings, and one of the most prominent ways to keep your profile going is to get ratings. After you complete a project, make sure that you ask the buyer to send your reviews, and this will ensure that your profile moves up and you get more buyers. All right, so basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.